I'll be using this book in our tutorial lesson. Tingnan natin kung effective sa inyo. So, nasa chapter 5 po tayo. Linear equation and inequalities in two variables. So, ayan lahat. Chapter 5 muna, ha? Kasi ito yung lesson mo.
Hello everyone! Welcome to aroMATHerapy Tutorial Services. This is Jen Dorado, your tutor.
Let's discuss the solutions and answers to your problem sets. Find the coordinates of the points H, O, N, E, S, and T in each coordinate plane. On our first question, your task there was to plot the points on the Cartesian coordinate plane. Sa may number 1, naalala mo? Okay. Next, here sa number 2, all you need to do is to name the points kasi naka-plot na siya. So what are our points? We have points H, O, N, E, S, T. O, ano basahin to? Honest. O, sige, let's start with letter A. Point H. Point H is located in quadrant 4. So, you have the points. Ano yung sign ng points nila? Ng quadrant H. Ay, ng quadrant H. Ng quadrant 4. Positive. Negative. Okay, so ilocate. O, ayan si 3. So, positive 3. Negative 6. So, you're right. Positive 3, negative 6. Dapat nasa loob siya ng parenthesis pag mag-name ng points, ha? Ayan. Okay. Let's proceed to point O. Point O is located in quadrant 2. So, negative, positive. You have negative 4, positive 3. Ayan. 4, 3. I-ano lang, i-align. O, sige. Sige. Pero mauna si X, sunod si Y. Sige. Let's proceed to N. Letter N. Point N. Saan siya naka-align? Sa 0. 0 si X, tapos si Y, 8. So, you write 0, 8. Can you follow? Next, point E. Align. Again, mauna si X. O, si X, negative 5. Si Y, negative 4. So, you write negative 5, negative 4. Sulat. Let's proceed to letter point S. Naka-align si 6, tapos si 7, negative 7. So, you write 6, negative 7. Again, mauna palagi si X. After ni X, si Y naman. Horizontal, vertical. X, Y. Nakuha. O, last. Last sa letter A. Point T. What is X? 8. What is Y? 0. So, 8, 0. Can you follow? O, di ba madali lang? Let's proceed to letter B. O, diretso na. Point H. 8, negative 1. Ayan siya, o, sa ilalim ng 0. So, 8, negative 1. Point O. Negative 2, negative 4. Next, point N. negative 5, 0. Ayan no, si negative 5 after ng negative 4. Negative 5, 0. Next, letter E. Point E. H-O-N-E. Tama. Muna si 3. Si x-axis. Sunod si y-axis. So, we have 3. Negative 5. Next, S. Negative 7, 6. Next, letter T. Point T. 0, negative 5. Can you follow? So, madali lang no mag-name ng points. X, Y lang siya. Palaging unahin si X, sunod si Y. Ganun din sa pag-plot ng points. Understood?
Thanks for watching. God bless everyone.
There should be no such thing as boring mathematics. Reduce math anxiety. Say yes to aroMATHerapy.